Hey everybody, it's Katie from Bobby Hair Studio. Today I've partnered with Schwarzkopf to show you how you can use their new Goodbye Orange Blue Shampoo in two really fun and useful ways. So today our model is someone who came from another salon and she found her hair was really orange in some places and really yellow in others. This is a common occurrence with people who have really dark hair and it's not lifted well enough. So what we decided to do was send her home with something that she could use to tone her hair from time to time at home. So we used a little bit of Goodbye Yellow, and that's to get those really yellowy areas, but oftentimes when you use purple shampoo, you don't have enough control, I guess, to deal with those really orangey areas. So adding a little bit of blue shampoo to it helps to add a little extra power to the purple shampoo and really control those orange areas. I'm just mixing it into her very wet hair and really trying to coat everywhere, and I'm letting it sit for a couple minutes before I rinse out. So after 5 minutes, she's already got a way better color. Can you believe how much this controlled that orange color and that brass from before? That's crazy. And now I'm going to seal in her color and rehydrate her hair with a repair mask, and then we're going to blow dry her and straighten her, and I can't wait for you guys to see the results side by side. It's insane. Here I am straightening her, and you can see that her color is so much better already. Purple and the blue mixed together were a perfect combination to make her hair a nice ashy color again. And this is something she can do at home once every month or two whenever she needs it. And here's a comparison. Here's her before, looking pretty orange and some yellow. And here's the after. She's a way ashier color. It's a really beautiful beige tone. And here it is in the light. Look at how gorgeous that is, you guys. Now here is my second model. My second model, Amy, is a good friend of mine who I asked, do you want to try a fun color that's super temporary, there's no staining at all? So what we did was we actually bleached out her entire head. She has very short hair and we wanted to try something fun for Halloween. And a lot of people are scared to try greens and blue colors because they often stain in the hair when you do a temporary color. But doing it this way actually doesn't, it just rinses away. So we've lightened her enough to be about a level 9, and she's quite a warm color because of her natural pigments in her hair, but this is actually the perfect color for what we're doing today. This is going to provide a really vibrant, bright color, and I'm so excited to see the results. This is a great option for anybody who wants to try teals or blues or seafoam colors and they don't want to have the commitment of the staining power that you would get with a temporary color or a direct dye. So if you want to see how blue looks on you, but you know that it's going to wash out, try Goodbye Orange Shampoo. Just see how it works. So we're going to mix blue and yellow together, and we all know blue and yellow together makes green. Just can't wait for you guys to see how this goes in the sink. It's so cool. I'm making sure to really work this product through because it's very potent and you don't need a ton of it, but when you want to dye someone's hair with it, you do need a little bit more, and you want to make sure that you spread it around a bit. So make sure to water it down and really spread it everywhere. And this is such a fun color. I am so excited for you guys to see the results. I don't even know what I would call this. I would call it maybe electric neon teal. This is such a cool color. It's almost seafoam, kind of greeny, kind of bluey. And this way, Amy gets to try something really fun for a few weeks until she's ready to try a new color. Again, low commitment color is so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to Schwarzkopf Pro USA for more content like this. Have a great day.